Hello friends, my name is Josefa and today we are going to learn about AWS, Amazon Web Services. If you are in IT, you need to learn cloud and Amazon is the biggest player out there. Also, I believe that the best way to learn anything in IT is to get your hands dirty and do it practically. So friends, today in this video, we are not going to waste any time and you will get your free AWS account. I will walk you through every single step and you will get your first virtual machine in the cloud. So let's dive in. Okay friends, I have already created my AWS account and during the sign up process, I got some screenshots and I'll use them to guide you through the steps. First of all, navigate to https://aws.amazon.com. I'll paste the link in the description. Then click on Get Started for free. Next, you will be redirected to the sign up page. There you have to enter the root user email address and the account name. This email address will be used for every communication and support from AWS and will have all the administrative rights to this account. Then you will receive an OTP on that mail ID to confirm the existence of that mail ID. Now paste the verification code from that mail in the box and click verify. Then if the mail ID is verified successfully, you will be asked to create a password for your account. Make sure it's strong enough, having all different characters and meets all the standards of the password creation. You can also find a Python script in the description which will help you in that. Next, you need to select whether this account belongs to an individual or an organization. Just now, as we are just trying to explore all the technologies and services offered by AWS, in that case, personal will work great. Then enter your contact details. This will be helpful to you while paying your bills. Next, AWS will ask you for your credit card and debit card details. You would be wondering that this was going to be free, isn't it? So, no worries. This is just a step to verify you as a human. A very minimal amount of rupee 1 or rupee 2 will be debited from your provided details and they will never save your details for further. Next, again, you need to verify your phone number, then confirm your identity, then select a support plan. We'll go for basic plan. It's free, as I said. Don't no worries for further, as all the technical details has already been provided by AWS. Oh, voila! We are ready to sign into our AWS console. Finally, we are ready with our proper swimsuit to dive in. Let's go and sign in. Okay, now finally we are in our AWS console. Look at this services, and there are a lot of services offered by AWS, Amazon, satellite, storage, database, developer tools, computing, many more. In this video, we will be focusing on EC2 services. This is the computing services provided by AWS. One more thing, you should be very much careful about the region you are in. You should always check in which region you are. You can select a list of multiple regions, wherever you want to deploy your instances, deploy your applications. Always check it. I'll select the nearest one to me. It's Mumbai. Click on launch instance. Name your instance. Experiment. Okay, I'll select Ubuntu. You can select any flavor you want. I'll select the latest one. It's also free. You can select your architecture, whichever you want. Then instance type. It is the size of the instance you want. You can go crazy with this. Look at this, 48 virtual CPUs, 384 gigs of RAM. It's huge. For us, this T2.micro, one virtual CPU, 1 gig of memory is more than enough for us to experiment. It's also free. Then again an important point is key pair. This is the key used to connect to your instance. If you lose this, then it's really very difficult for you to connect with your instance. So we'll create a new instance, new key for a new instance. Create key pair. You can definitely select an existing key pair also, but it's not recommended. Don't lose this key, or else you will not be able to connect to your instance. Then click launch instance. Then AWS is baking your machine and it's ready. You can see the status: succeed, succeed, succeed. Here we have, it's still pending, it's baking, it's still okay. Let's wait. It's running now guys, it's running now. Grab this public IP address, navigate to the folder where you save the key, access your command line. You can also access it through CMD or PowerShell. I use Git. Let's see if our file exists here. Yes, it exists. Okay. So the command to connect your instance is ssh-i, the name of your key pair, experiment.pem, then Ubuntu, the username, @ the IP address, accept the fingerprints, and you are connected to your instance. Look at this. Let's check get root etc os.release. Yes, Ubuntu 2.0. Okay, let's check by installing some Linux tools like Neofetch. First we will update our repositories. apt update. Okay, while it's updating, let's check what is Neofetch. Neofetch is a system information tool written in Bash script. System information tool. It generally helps retrieving the information about the system. Okay, sudo install -y Neofetch. Okay. Let's check it. Yes, it works. It has all the tools, Python 3. It has Git. It has all the necessary repositories and tools in the Linux.
So that's all for today, guys. Stay tuned, as in my next video I'll show you how you can access your instance command line from a browser. This AWS account is free forever. AWS only charges for the services you use on hourly basis and bills them on monthly basis. The free tier eligible services are free for 1 year from the date you created your account, means from today. Okay, we'll wind up today, guys. If you like my content, please subscribe to my channel, share the content, hit that like button, do comment your experience and suggestions or doubts if any. Yes, now go and explore cloud and hack new technology.